It's avocado season in Jamaica right now. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the best avocado banana smoothie. So stick around for the next round. How's it going, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Earth's Medicine, the channel that introduces you to the healing wonders of Mother Earth with a Jamaican flavor. So as mentioned before, I'm going to show you guys how to make the best avocado banana smoothie. But before I do this, I'm going to be harvesting some organic avocados from these trees. So let's go. The Jamaican avocado is locally known as pear, and it's a seasonal crop. There are different varieties of avocados in Jamaica, but this particular variety is called SIMMONDS avocado. The SIMMONDS variety of avocado is one of the best varieties grown on the island, and it's usually expensive. It comes into season once for the year, which is usually in July, and the crop usually lasts for a few weeks. SIMMONDS avocado is green in appearance, and it can be round or slightly elongated in shape. They can weigh between 1 to 3 pounds, and the flesh has a nice texture. It also has a lot of depth and is slightly firm and thick, approximately 3.5 centimeters or more, and it is absolutely delicious. The skin of the SIMMONDS avocados usually loses much of its gloss and becomes duller when matured. In Jamaica, avocados are mostly used in salads and is oftentimes peeled and served as an accompaniment to a meal.
that's it for now, guys. I hope you really liked this video and I hope you found some value. If you did and you would like to see more videos like this one in the future, then go ahead and hit that subscription button right now, and please turn on your post notifications. That way you will get an alert the next time I upload a new video. And guys, please leave a like and a comment and share this video as well, because it really helps out my channel a lot. See you next week Sunday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.